Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make payments for our online sewing classes on the Selar website. You're going to go to your Instagram, then you will search for our name Stitches by Tally. It's going to bring you to our page, then go to the bio and click on the link here. So you're going to see different links that we have here. Let's say, for example, you want to buy the Total Beginners class. You're going to click on that first link. It will bring you to the Selar website. You click on this arrow here to see the course outline of the class. You click the other arrow to go back. Now you're going to scroll up a little bit, then you click on this more details. You're going to be able to read all the informations of the class, what the class entails, everything you need to know before you go ahead to make payment. So after you are done reading it carefully, here you're going to see frequently bought together. So these are classes you can add to that particular class. That is if you want to buy multiple classes. But if that's not what you want, so just scroll up again. Then after reading all the informations, you come here to click on buy now. It's going to bring you here. You click on checkout. Now it's going to ask for your contact informations, your name and your email. So go ahead and place them there. So after you are done doing that, you click on done. Then you come here. It's going to ask you how you want to make payment via transfer or pay with card and more. Let's say, for example, you want to make payment via transfer. You're going to click on this arrow here. Then it's going to open up the account details that you're going to send the money to. So just go ahead and screenshot it. Then you go to your banking app. You're going to put in all these informations, the name of the bank, you put Paystack, the account name Stitches by Tally, the account number, then the amount. Make sure to send the exact amount that you are seeing here. For this video, this is not the option I'm going to be using. Okay, I'm going to go back up. I'll click on pay with card and more and click on pay now. So allow it to load. It will bring you here. So there are other options here to make payment. This last option, you can see they say pay with OPay. If you have OPay account, you can easily click on this option to make payment. But I'm going to be click on pay with card. I'll put in my card number, my card expiring date, and my CVV. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to click on pay. So it's going to ask for your 4-digit card pin. So go ahead and put it. Then it will bring you here to be asking for your OTP. So they are going to send OTP to your phone number where you receive your alert. So put the OTP there, then authorize payment. Once your payment is successful, it's going to redirect you to our WhatsApp page. So you can see it's going to be counting down to redirect you. And at the top here, you're going to see that they've sent your receipt to your email. So after counting down, it will automatically redirect you to our WhatsApp where you can send us a message and say you have made payment. Alternatively, you can go to your email address, click on it, then you're going to click on your receipt. So here you're going to screenshot the receipt. So just you can see, scroll down to see all the receipt information. Then you're going to screenshot it like this. Screenshot this first part, then scroll up to transaction details. You're going to screenshot it as well. So after you are done screenshotting those two, you're going to go back up. You click on go to link, then click on Chrome. It will take you back to this place where you are going to be redirected to our WhatsApp page. So once you get to our WhatsApp, you're going to send us those two pictures that you screenshotted and let us know that you have made payment, and we'll send you the link to join the class. Happy shopping. See you in class.